Welcome into Meet Your Neighbor. We're visiting with David Groner with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. And David, today's topic is about creditors and what happens when your children, they're given your assets handed down. What if creditors try to go after that estate? Can they do that?
Well, first of all, when we do a trust and the children are going to benefit from that trust, they're the beneficiaries. But there's something in the trust that prevents anybody from having access to that. And no creditor can have access to any beneficiary's assets within the trust. It's called a spendthrift provision. It's just a legal term, but it enables people to have that kind of protection. But I got to tell you, one thing people are really concerned about as they drive down Highway 90 is all the lawyer billboards in Louisiana. You know, one call, that's all. And if you just happen to bump the car in front of you, you could get sued for a whole lot of money in Louisiana, and everybody knows it. So what do you do about that? Well, if your assets are put into a trust, which also can provide the protection from nursing home expense and anything else, but once those assets are in that trust, those people can sue you all they want. They're not going to get anything because your assets are nice and protected in a nice little bulletproof trust that you've created so that your assets and your estate will go to your children and not to the lawyers on billboards.
And that's only one of the incredible things about a trust, having that trust for your children rather than a will, which we've talked lots about. So if anyone wondering wants to see those other tips and tricks and why a trust is so beneficial for you and your family, you can watch our segments on klfy.com. And we'll be back again next week here on Meet Your Neighbor with David Groner with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic.